Namaste, friends! Ancient Empty Go has invited you into my kitchen today for a very special treat. We're going on a culinary journey through India with 10 quick and delicious vegetarian dinner recipes. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, these recipes are easy to follow and packed with the authentic flavors of India. So put on your aprons and let's get cooking. Dal Tadka. This dish is a staple in Indian households for a reason. It's simple, hearty, and oh so flavorful. We start by cooking lentils with a pinch of turmeric and salt until they're nice and soft. Now for the magic touch, the tadka. Heat up some ghee, that golden elixir, and add cumin seeds, garlic, and green chilies. The aroma alone will transport you straight to the streets of India. Pour this sizzling tadka over the lentils and garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Can you imagine that aroma filling your kitchen? Serve this soul-soothing dal tadka with steaming hot rice for a truly comforting dinner. Craving a vibrant and healthy meal? Look no further than this quick and easy vegetable stir-fry. We'll use crunchy carrots, bright broccoli, and tender beans. The secret is a simple sauce of soy, ginger, and garlic. Adjust the spice with red chili flakes. Stir-fry on high heat to seal in flavors. Serve with steamed rice or noodles for a nutritious dinner. Masala khichdi is the epitome of comfort food. It's a one-pot dish that's packed with flavor and nutrition. We'll be using a combination of rice, lentils, and vegetables, all cooked together in a symphony of aromatic spices. Start by heating some ghee in a pot and add cumin seeds, bay leaves, and chopped onions. Once the onions turn translucent, add ginger garlic paste and your favorite vegetables. Now add the rice and lentils, along with water and a blend of spices like turmeric, coriander powder, and garam masala. Let everything simmer until the rice and lentils are cooked to perfection. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and a dollop of ghee, and your comforting masala khichdi is ready to be devoured. Palak paneer, a creamy delight. Palak paneer is a classic Indian dish that's loved by people of all ages. It features soft paneer cubes swimming in a creamy spinach gravy that's bursting with flavor. We begin by blanching spinach and blending it into a smooth puree. Then we sauté onions, tomatoes, and ginger garlic paste until fragrant. Add a blend of aromatic spices like cumin powder, coriander powder, and turmeric powder. Now add the spinach puree and simmer until it thickens. Finally, gently add the paneer cubes and cream, allowing them to soak up all the flavors. Garnish with a sprinkle of kasuri methi and serve hot with naan or roti for a truly indulgent dinner. Aloo Paratha, the king of flatbreads. Aloo Paratha, the king of flatbreads, needs no introduction. This popular North Indian dish features crispy, flaky flatbreads stuffed with a spicy potato filling. We start by preparing the dough for the parathas. While the dough rests, we'll prepare the filling by mashing boiled potatoes and mixing them with spices like cumin powder, coriander powder, and garam masala. Now roll out the dough and stuff it with the flavorful potato filling. Cook the parathas on a hot griddle with ghee until they're golden brown and crispy. Serve these irresistible aloo parathas hot with yogurt, pickle, or a dollop of butter for a truly satisfying meal. Mixed vegetable curry, a celebration of colors. This mixed vegetable curry is a celebration of colors and flavors. We'll be using a medley of vegetables like carrots, peas, and beans, all simmered in a tangy and aromatic tomato-based gravy. Start by sautéing onions, tomatoes, and ginger garlic paste until fragrant. Add a blend of spices like turmeric powder, coriander powder, and red chili powder. Now add the mixed vegetables and let them simmer in the gravy until they're tender and flavorful. You can adjust the consistency of the gravy by adding water as needed. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and serve this vibrant curry hot with rice or chapatis for a wholesome and delicious dinner. Besan chilla, also known as gram flour pancakes, is a quick and healthy dinner option that's perfect for those busy weeknights. These thin and crispy pancakes are packed with flavor and can be enjoyed with a variety of chutneys or dips. In a bowl, whisk together gram flour, water, and spices like turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt. You can also add finely chopped onions, tomatoes, and coriander leaves to the batter. Heat a nonstick pan and pour a ladle full of batter, spreading it out evenly to form a thin pancake. Cook on both sides until golden brown and crispy. Serve these flavorful besan chillas hot with your favorite chutney, or dip for a light and satisfying dinner. Veg pulao is a classic Indian rice dish, that's both flavorful and aromatic. It's made by cooking rice with a medley of vegetables and a blend of fragrant spices. Start by heating ghee in a pot and add whole spices like cumin seeds, cardamom pods, and cloves. Once the spices splutter, add chopped onions and sauté until translucent. Add your favorite vegetables like carrots, peas, and beans, and sauté for a few minutes. Now add the rice and water, along with spices like turmeric powder, cumin powder, and garam masala. Cover and let the rice cook until all the water is absorbed and the vegetables are tender. Fluff with a fork and serve hot with raita or curry. Kadhi pakora is a classic North Indian dish that's a beautiful harmony of flavors and textures. It features crispy gram flour fritters, dunked in a creamy yogurt-based gravy. We'll start by preparing the pakoras. Whisk together gram flour, water, and spices, and deep fry small portions until golden brown and crispy. For the kadhi, whisk together yogurt, gram flour, and water until smooth. Temper with cumin seeds, curry leaves, and red chili powder. Simmer until the gravy thickens. Gently add the pakoras to the kadhi and let them soak up all the flavors. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and serve hot with rice for a hearty and satisfying dinner. Chole, also known as Chana Masala, is a beloved North Indian dish that's bursting with flavor and spice. Chickpeas simmered in a rich onion-tomato gravy. Soak chickpeas overnight. Pressure cook until tender. Sauté onions, tomatoes, ginger-garlic paste, and spices like cumin, coriander, garam masala. Add chickpeas to the gravy and simmer. Adjust consistency with water. Garnish with onions, coriander, and lemon. Serve hot with rice, bhaturas, or puris. There you have it, friends. 10 quick and delicious Indian vegetarian dinner recipes that are sure to tantalize your taste buds. From the comforting Dal Tadka to the flavorful chole, there's something here for everyone. Which recipe will you try first? Let us know in the comments. These 10 quick vegetarian dinner recipes are easy to make and full of flavor. Like, share, and subscribe for more delicious videos.